The last thing I want to add to this conversation is, and I know this is going to be easy for you, Marindy. Who do you want to give?
You some.
Who do you want to give the most to in your life besides yourself? Mind you, this all has to do with how you create your story, right? Because when you get on a camera, we want to talk about the product benefits, the price points, half off until this time. We be so salesy. We trying to sell somebody something. I don't know who I'm buying from. I don't know what I'm buying. I don't know what I'm contributing to. If I cop this from you, you could be trafficking. If we know who you are, it makes it. I know some people who literally just buy stuff from me because I'm me. They just be like, man, I trust TJ. I like TJ. He cute. I'm copping. Right? Don't limit that consumer. Right? Sometimes people gonna buy stuff because they need it. I need a vacuum cleaner. I need it now. Right? It's like you buy one vacuum cleaner, you don't want to buy 5.
Yeah, but also all that money's going to a corporation.
And that part,
that shit to
right?
Exploit the fucking Chinese and.
I love you because you're no filter at all. That's why I love you so much. But it's like what you just said. If you know some people, there's somebody. You just said it. There's somebody who wants to support smaller businesses, but they don't know that you're in business and that they have the ability to do that because you didn't tell them.
And in the creative business, it's harder to support anyway. Because how are you gonna support like a music business, content creation business, other than like reposting, buying merch? And as like a label, the streams of income are like licensing, merch, shows, and streaming. Streaming, you don't get paid anything. And like at a certain point, you can't get all of the other things without having money in the beginning to pay for the promotion for that. Yeah. So it's like you kind of caught in the middle, which one you go to first.
And that's it. Y'all got too much. This is he.